Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about international business law, which is one of your elective subject in CS final. Mostly students choose this subject because they think it is a scoring paper. And since this is an open book exam and you are also allowed to carry your study books and notes, then it is also presumed that you will be able to answer all the questions, which is really not true. And if you want to try this, you just take a notebook and your study book and then write down one entire page copying from your textbook. And you will be surprised to know that you will be needing to write 25 to 30 such pages in exam. And on an average, if it takes more than 10 minutes, then you can apply simple mathematics like you would be needed 300 such minutes. Also, you need to apply your understanding and you need to show that understanding to your examiner. But yes, if you seek to pursue an international career, then it could be a right decision. So here, let me give you a high level of understanding about this subject. A company which is obviously formed in a country, and all the countries at high level have to get into agreements to do international business and to encourage its companies to do international trade. So while deciding development strategies, international trade is to be considered as a vital option, which also helps them for economic growth. But the question for a company is how? How to enter into an international trade. And for that purpose, a company seeks advice from professionals like you as a company secretary, professionals who have chosen this subject to study, professionals who are highly skilled in international transactions, international law, global environments, international companies and their processes. Again, the question for you is whether you are really ready to become a highly professional, highly skilled person in this subject. Now, if your answer is yes, then you should try to reach up to the expert level in this subject, because this subject provides you a deep understanding on international business environments, import-export management, foreign direct investment policy, foreign trade policy, international trade theories, international trade bodies, World Trade Organization, United Nations Conference on Trade and Developments, international logistics, supply chain management. And in addition to this, which would be an additional knowledge, you will also get good understanding on important concepts like strategic alliances, business collaborations, joint ventures. So guys, again, if you just take your time and think about the opportunities that you have with this subject. In my next video, I will talk about chapter-wise summary, how to read, what to read, and will share some notes which most probably you can also make once you get idea how to make it. So I would say subscribe this channel and like this video if you find it useful, and to get more such videos on these other subjects. Thank you for watching.